Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On Sunday, September 25th, at the Basilica of Mary Help of Christians in Turin, the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime presided over the Mass with the missionary sending off ceremony of 19 Salesians of Don Bosco and 9 Daughters of Mary Help of Christians FMA. 6 Salesian missionaries did not receive their visas in time. For the Salesians, it was the 153rd missionary expedition, while for the FMA, it was the 145th missionary expedition. Together with the Rector Major and 10 successors of Don Bosco, his vicar, Father Stefano Martoglio, the General Councillor for Missions, Father Alfred Maravilla, the General Councillor for Formation, Father Ivo Ciolho, the General Councillor for Youth Ministry, Father Miguel Angel Garcia Morcunde, 20 provincials and many other presbyters concelebrated. The Economy of Francisco 2022 global event was held from 22nd to 24th September in Assisi, Italy. Over 1,000 young economists, entrepreneurs and change makers from more than 100 countries attended this event. Lean D'Souza and Denzel Prato, both from India, participated in the EOF global event on behalf of the Don Bosco Green Alliance. The first 2 days of the global event saw the young people connecting with one another and discussing a variety of themes in a spirit of friendship and good cheer. The young economists shared their ideas on how to build a better world through economic systems that reflect the principles and values of Saint Francis of Assisi. On the evening of Saturday, September 24th in Valdoco, the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime met with the new Salesian missionaries and the new Daughters of Mary Help of Christians missionaries who would receive the missionary cross the following day. It was a frank, passionate and engaging dialogue in which many interesting insights for life in the mission to emerge. First, said Father A.F. Artime, if Don Bosco had not had a missionary heart, today we would be few and only in Italy. The Salesian family in the world exists thanks to the missionary dream of our founder. We must not forget that. He went on to emphasize that everyone as Christians has a duty to be missionary where they are, but some are called to a particular vocation within the Salesian vocation, and we must be grateful for that. After almost 3 years of inactivity, the Salesian Don Bosco Oratory in Pordenone, belonging to the Northeast Italy province INE, reopened its doors on Saturday, September 24th. The event, marked by games and music activities and the entrustment to Mary Help of Christians, was led by the oratory's charge, Father Roberto Capelletti, SDB, and was attended by more than 200 people, including children, youth, animators, and parents. On Sunday, September 11th, the regional coordinator of the pastoral care of children in the state of Mato Grosso, Isabel Silveira Diaz, accompanied by Salesian deacon Jose Alves and a young volunteer Kaiki Lima, visited some Zavante villages in the municipality of Nova Zavantina. The group's major concern is cases of malnutrition among the children. Lack of rain, proximity to urban centers, and poor food and hygiene conditions were identified as the causes that most affect the situation. The first village visited was Santa Helena, then Betania, Sao Francisco, and finally Tehitz Zatse. In each of these villages, food kits purchased by Operation Mato Grosso volunteers and food sent by benefactors from the Immaculate Conception Parish in the city of Bilac were distributed to children. Through all the partners who joined the Salesian mission, we can reach the villages and distribute food and clothes, commented the Salesian deacon. A soup kitchen was also set up in the village of Santa Helena, cooking dishes with vegetables, pasta and ground meat. In the village of Betania, clothes, food and hygiene materials for infants were distributed, prepared by the Campinopolis Children's Pastoral Care Team. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.